Woo! Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday out there. Howdy. We're going to be talking about, looks like the bull run has started, and we're going to be talking about FOMO, the FOMO effect. And guys, this is going to be very interesting because we can see that over 70 days of Bitcoin kind of trending down, and suddenly FOMO hit, and Bitcoin is going to the moon. Also, too, we're going to be talking about, looks like we could be seeing Dogecoin 3x, Bitcoin 3x pretty soon, and much more out there. So this is a positive video. So if you guys want to feel pumped, if you guys want to feel psyched, and start your Sunday with a great day, guys. And I just want to say that everybody that's watching this video, you guys are freaking geniuses because you found the right content at the right time to create life-changing wealth, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in-house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, you should know. So let's jump into the freaking content. Smash the likes, guys, smash the likes, share this content. And guys, we're only bringing you the good news, the real news, and no nonsense. We're not shilling, we're not tilling, we're not scamming, guys. And we're talking about scammers. Watch out for nasty trolls and scammers in the content, guys. They will impersonate me. They will pretend to, reach out to you and pretend to be me. Don't do that, guys. I will never do that, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. So what's going on right now? It looks like something weird and wacky is going on in Russia out there. So it looks like there was some kind of like coup that was going on. It looks like it seemed to be averting, and our friend Putin is still intact out there. Unfortunately, just my opinion, not just my opinion. Also, it looks like we're seeing that the pre-markets are pretty much down across the board, but crypto is also down as well. We're seeing that crypto is down slightly, but we're still seeing amazing that Bitcoin is still above 30,500, so that is pretty good. We're seeing Ethereum is still above 1,800 bucks, so things are still looking good. Even though there's a little bit of downside, a little bit of profit taken, I would not be worrying about that. If you're worrying about that, then volatility is definitely something that you don't like, and you should not be in crypto. You should be watching paint dry out there. The good news, we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is rising. It's above 50%, so that is good. We're seeing that Ethereum is also at 19% out there, so that is good. We're seeing that overall, the crypto markets are looking pretty positive so far. June, we are up considerably. You can see that June right now we're up 12%, so not too shabby. Overall, this year is looking pretty good. We're seeing more green than red out there compared to last year's, which was like 2022, which is a big poop schmata. So things are looking good. Overall, looking good, looking happy out there. Bitcoin is up over 15%. Ethereum is up as well. We're seeing BNB is down. That was because of the SEC Binance scare out there. XRP is up. Cardano is up 8%. We're seeing the Doge is up in the last 7 days, 7.18%. And remember, we do have some huge resistance at 7 cents, guys, but we're still in the 8th spot. Unfortunately, we're seeing that for the Shiba Inu fans, Shiba Inu has slipped. It's slipped. It's freaking slipped. Even though it's up 12%, it's still slippy, whippy. It's below 800 out there. So yeah. Fear and greed, wow, we're getting greedy again. So if you guys did accumulate, last week when we were at 47, you would be making huge profits right now. So guys, congratulations, smash the likes. In terms of governmental announcements next week, nothing too big. We got durable goods on Tuesday, new home sales as well, consumer confidence. Wednesday, nothing really big. We got something from Jeremy Powell, so hopefully he will be bullish and not hawkish. We also, on the 29th, we also have Fed Chair Powell speaking as well. Nothing really happening except on the 30th of June. We've got the PCE data that's going to be big, guys. That's going to be big. So that will definitely give us a tell in terms of what the markets are going to do. In terms of the Fed rate monitor, it looks like we're still 71.9% are still saying, look, we're going to get 25 basis points. So the big news is it looks like DXY is also going up. Not good. But the big freaking huge news is that on the daily right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is trading at 30,578. We have a nice bull flag that's forming here. You can see here's the flagpole. Here's the pennant structure. And that's what gives me more and more conviction out there that we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin is going to get back up to 32,006. That's in the top of the blue box. So if you guys take a look at the weekly here, let me just change this to weekly time frame out there. You can absolutely see, let me just give this a refresh out there. And don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. The interesting thing is right now on the weekly, you can see a huge pump, 15.68%. And we are right now back in this blue box. And this is a very important zone for Bitcoin. If we can stay in this blue box, and if we can get above this blue box, that is going to be very bullish for us. That is going to be huge for us. If you take a look at the EMA ribbons on the weekly, let's see what that's looking like on the weekly. We can still see that is very, very bullish, guys. This is all bearish. This is all kind of bearish structure here for Bitcoin. But you can see now that we are above the EMA ribbons on the weekly. That is freaking bullish, guys. Bullish, bullish, bullish. As I said, June, excuse me, June is shaping up to be a good one. It looks like, if we take a look at what's going on quarterly, we can see that so far in Q1, we're up 71.77%, so let's call it 72. So basically, we are up 79%, 79% up, guys and gals, year to date. Wow, wow, wow. Woo, woo, where can you get 79%? So I thought this is kind of interesting. Looks like the bears are back, guys. The bears are definitely back in action out there. The bulls, the bull, Bitcoin is back. Bitcoin is back in action, guys. So it looks like the bears are getting a smackdown out there, guys. So if you guys get a WWE, WFN, you guys know what that's all about. So pretty cool news. Looks like also Plan B. He's also saying, early Bitcoin bull run has started, guys, and you can see that this blue mark here indicates that things are looking pretty good, guys. Stage 1 is happening, and late bull market green will probably start around the halving in April. So things are looking good from that perspective. Also, guys, did you guys know that Bitcoin hits 1-year high, soars past 31,300? And the last time that happened was back in June 2022. So, guys, this is absolutely fantastic news, absolutely positive news, pretty pumped, pretty psyched. Guys, did you know that looks like a big Bitcoin maxi guru out there, Guru Hugh Hendry, is saying that we could see Bitcoin 3xing from here, and that could be hitting a huge 1.5 trillion market cap, guys. So that is cool, guys. Absolutely cool. I believe it's going to happen, and if that happens, that will take Bitcoin pretty close to $100,000, guys. Looks like Unchained Analyst Willie Wu maps out how high Bitcoin can surge before it gets overheated, and he's kind of looking. If you take a look at this, he's saying that based on the price and fundamentals, we could be seeing that $40,000 is the next level of this extension of this current rally. So we could be seeing $40,000 incoming pretty fast for Bitcoin. So that is pretty good. A lot of positive news. Bitcoin futures fund basis rising out there, so that's also interesting. Wu also believes that veteran traders are betting big on Bitcoin as they believe that the US dollar index is on the verge of a downtrend. And I believe that. I believe that Bitcoin, the DXY, is definitely going to collapse. I believe it's going to collapse, and it's probably going to collapse below 100 pretty soon. And that's pretty positive, guys. That is pretty positive out there. Wow. 3x market cap. Willie Wu. Everything is looking pretty positive that things are setting up. Also, even Michael Saylor is saying, look, adopt Bitcoin standard. If you take a look at what's going on since performance since August 2022 to yesterday, we're seeing silver is down 20%. We're seeing bonds are down 70%, gold down 6%. We're seeing Bitcoin is up 159%, S&P up 29%, and NASDAQ up 23%. So if you had bet on Bitcoin, you would have bet big, and you would have hit a home run, guys. So fantastic, fantastic. Guys, 70 days of downtrend engulfed in a single week, guys. A reminder just how quickly things can change. And we've had almost 70 days, excuse me, not 70 weeks. We've had 70 days of downtrend, and we can see that with all this FOMO, all this positiveness out there for Bitcoin, we're seeing a huge reversal. And that just goes to show the power of FOMO, guys. Don't get disillusioned, but FOMO is here, and FOMO is what is going to pump Bitcoin to 100K, guys. Looks like Bitcoin is back on track again. You can see in previous cycles we had 6x, 3.5x, 3.4x, and we're only halfway through this cycle. So definitely we're going to see, if we take the averages here, 3.4, 3.5, and 6, you're looking at an average of about 4x out there. So we definitely could be seeing that this is going to go up to 4x, guys. Cool beans in the house, and that's about $90,000, and that puts it in line with 1.5 trillion market cap, and puts it in line with what all the other analysts are saying. So that is good, guys. Absolutely good. It looks like if you take a look at altcoins, and there are actually people out there who believe that the market will give them another chance to rebuy Bitcoin at 10K. That ain't going to happen, guys. We had a mid-cycle correction. We've broken out of this falling wedge, and we got this this impulse wave 2 up the upside. We had impulse wave here, double bottom. Impulse wave 1 took us up to this structure here, and this is altcoin. We're talking about altcoins. Guys, take another look at this chart. Self-explanatory, such a lovely retest. We had a beautiful retest. As I always said, patience. we are on the verge of something big, in my opinion, guys, out there. If you take a look at the MVR score, Bitcoin bounced perfectly from the MVRV score that we started earlier this year, guys. What comes next? Well, what comes next is a huge parabolic rise. 40K, definitely the next stop, guys. Bitcoin 56K is inevitable, guys. If you take a look at this from Titan of Crypto, if you're watching this, much love out there. Bitcoin is finally breaking out of the monthly Bollinger Bands baseline as expected, and that's we hit target one, guys. We're now on our way to target one, which is 56,000. Target one is in. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, and we could see that happening sometime around October. So Willie Wool is calling for 40K. Titan of Crypto is calling for 56K, and I'm calling. The OG is calling 50K by October. Halloweeny 50K. What's going on with Ethereum? Ethereum is also printing a huge bull flag out there, and I think the next stop for Ethereum. Ethereum is printing a huge bull crap. I got bull flag, not bull crap. I got Bitcoin on the brain. I got bull flags on the screen. I got bullish. I'm bullish everywhere. I'm going bullish nuts right here. We're seeing a nice bull flag here, and based on this structure, we could see a breakout, and that should definitely take Ethereum past $2,000. I love it. If we take a look at the DeFi Llama Ding Dong, we can see that the majority of DeFi is still staked on Ethereum, and we can see that Ethereum is still the biggest chain with about 26 billion, followed by Tron, followed by BSC chain, that's a Binance chain, Arbitrarium, Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Mixim, Chronos, Pulse, DeFi, Kava, Phantom. Phantom is still in the top 14. I still like Phantom, guys. I'm loading up on Phantom. I've got a ton of Cardano out there. So, guys, remember, the layer 2s are going to be big next bull run. Absolutely, absolutely. What's going on with Binance? Binance right now, you can see Binance is converting some of its BTC to USTD. The rumors are confirmed here. With nascent portfolio blockchain information. Liquidations kind of light, 90 million. Most of it right now in terms of what is being liquidated, let's take a look what's going on, is Bitcoin and BCH. Interesting. Normally you'd expect Ethereum, so that's kind of interesting. We still got the peppers are aping. The peppers are aping. Guys, remember, get your crypto off a centralized exchange. Get them onto NANO Leger out there. My Linky Winky's down there. Guys, and if you're watching this video, I hope you smash the like. Show that you're human. And there's also something called a super thanks. It's kind of like down, it looks like a heart mark. You can give tips and you can support the channel, guys. I appreciate it. We're also seeing right now that, guys, be part of the conversation. If you're not getting notifications, join our Discord. It's absolutely free out there. You're going to love it. Dogecoin Fear and Greed right now. Happy Sunday, everybody. Dogecoin's looking pretty good. We're seeing that greed right now for Doge is 58. It's not too late. 3x coming in. 3x absolutely coming in for Dogecoin out there, guys. Definitely lots of Dogecoin stuff is happening out there, guys. Do not be worried about Dogecoin. But also remember, there's a lot of scam tokens out there. Out there. So, huddle with patience, guys. You'll get rewarded. We could be seeing, 10 cents coming in pretty soon, guys. But do watch out for scamsters out there. A lot of scamsters out there. Do watch out for that. I would appreciate it, guys. Elon Musk started following Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, guys. That is pretty cool news. Something big is going to be happening there. What's going on for Dogecoin in terms of price structure right now? We're seeing that Dogecoin right now, it's having a nice recovery here. It did touch 7 cents yesterday. Did get rejected. We're seeing some downside rejection here from my perspective. We're seeing that Dogecoin has been trending down. It keeps getting rejected at the 7 cents. So we need to break out of this area. Otherwise, we could see 6 cents coming back in for Doge. But if Bitcoin remains bullish, we could see that Dogecoin structure should break out of that. And we could see something maybe along this area here. This is going to be really the tell here. This is our area of confluence here. Definitely an area of confluence. We definitely need to see Dogecoin break out to here and then retest the 7 cents. If not, then we've got this structure here, and this structure is going to force a downward trend for Dogecoin, and that will take us down to 6 cents. So just be prepared for that. Be prepared for that. Market cap wise, we're up about 2%, up to 9 billion, and the volumes are light, only 277 million out there. Structure on the daily is not looking too good. On the 7-day, we had this double top here around about 6.9, a little bit of resistance here. So that's some area around about 6.9, double top. Did do some retracement. We're seeing a bit of retracement. We could hopefully we can get higher highs here on this trend upwards. That would be pretty cool, guys. Did you guys know that it looks like 1 billion in Dogecoin grabbed by Robinhood customers holding, showing 11% rise. So we're seeing that more and more people are aping back into Dogecoin right now, and they expect that Dogecoin is going to have a reversal to the upside. So it looks like recently Doge Whale Wallet Tracker shared that the total Dogecoin holdings stored by popular Robinhood on behalf of clients has seen a massive increase, more than 17% in the last couple of days. So that's interesting, guys. The total combined amount of Dogecoin and Robinhood right now is around about 38 million Dogecoin. That's around about $2.57 million out there. No, more. So that's up 27%. So that's pretty good, guys. Pretty good out there. Don't forget, we got the halving. It's going to be happening. We have some fresh. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 1. We've got the halving happening. If it's going to refresh, guys. Technical difficulties in the OG house. We're seeing that right now that for Dogecoin right now, mainly bullish, so that is pretty good. We're seeing that even though Dogecoin is bullish right now, we're seeing social mentions are down. People are being distracted. It's a weekend out there. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now has slipped all the way down to 11 spot, guys. Not good. What's going on for the Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu pretty much the same structure as Dogecoin. We got some resistance at 9, also some resistance at 8 as well. Definitely not much happening for Shiba Inu out there, guys. In terms of who's in the money, who's out of the money for Shiba Inu, let's give this a mid refresh. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 1. Like this video, like this channel, share this channel. We're seeing only 12% are in the money. What's going on with Pepe right now? Pepe is down 5.76%. We can see on the daily, we did peak out around about here. We have dropped down considerably. Overall, if you take a look at the monthly chart for Pepe, it did downtrend. We're getting a bit of a resurgence. But, be careful with that. It's like a lottery ticket. Do not ape in. Do not go nuts. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. We're about to break 7,800, so that's pretty positive, guys. Don't forget to get the merch, guys. Be the merch. And, guys, be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Have a great day, guys. Be blessed. Peace out.